Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to highlight something that's been irritating me terribly about the Rav4. This. Because there's no handle on this thing and it's quite tightly sprung. So how do you grip the thing? So on my previous car there was a hole here with a handle so that you can grip the thing when you need to remove it or install it. And I think on my Honda that I had, the station wagon, the CW2 Accord, I think there was just a little, almost like this thing, just to keep your hand from sliding off. So I spoke about this to a friend of mine, and he developed and printed this little handle for me on the 3D printer. Let me just show it to you like that. So this is the piece that goes on the bottom. So what we are going to do today is I'm going to install it. And I think I'm going to install it right here. I'm going to measure it nicely, make sure I have the center of it, and install it. And I'm taking you on the ride with me, so enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm busy installing the handle to my, what's this thing called? A boot cover, a trunk cover, what's it called? I don't know. First thing I've done is I sourced some very short screws. I think these screws might be a tad too short. And then let me show you what I've done here. What I've done is I've flipped the cover around so that we are working on the bottom part, okay? And I thought, you know what, maybe I should just try and press this through, but this thing feels hard. But the moment that you, and I screwed it in with a screwdriver and I realized that it feels hard, but when you screw into it, it feels quite soft. The thing is, I don't know what is in this part. I don't know what is in here. It's definitely not plastic, and if it is, it's very, very soft. You go through it very easily. So you don't even, I was planning on marking it and burning it with a soldering iron and then drilling slowly and burning it from the bottom or from the top, just to make sure that I don't, and damage it. That doesn't seem to be necessary at all. But I think now these screws are going to be too short. So I'm going to get two longer ones and then we'll see. So let's do that now. So these are not only a little bit longer, but they're also a little bit thicker. So I want to see if this works, if it goes into this handle for a start. Okay guys, first of all, my bench is an absolute mess. So let's see if this will go in here first of all. Oh, I don't want to crack this thing, you know. Take it slowly. Yes, it works absolutely perfectly. So now, let's do it on the other side. Slowly. I don't want to break this. It's very easy to crack these things, you know. Okay. Those ones are perfect. Now, we need to go through here. Okay. We are through. Okay guys, we are through. So what I want to do now is, you'll see it's a 3D printed part guys. You'll see it's a little bit rough around the edges, like there. I just want to make it a little bit smoother. I'm not going to worry too much about this. I just want to touch the edges Just make it a little bit smoother with a little bit of 400 sandpaper, and that'll be it. I'm going to try. Yeah, I do have 400. Okay, so if needed, I'll also use a little bit 1000, but I'm going to go dry. So there's the sandpaper. Yeah, you can see there, it's taking that little piece clean off. And you can see that was unedited. That was the entirety of the sanding. So you can see that little rough edge is gone. I'm going to make it a little bit smoother and then we're done. As I decided that I'm not going to sand this with 1000. I'm going to leave it like this. Once I'm finished with the installation, I'll put a little bit of UV protectant on it and it's going to look beautiful. So that's it. I'm going to install it now. It's going to go like that. Make sure this one is upright because it has this side, it has a little indentation for the screws. I'm going to use new screws. I want new screws, not the ones that I've or the one that I've already used here. It might show signs of wear. Now I want to make sure that it's at the right spot. Okay, there we go. Like that. Feel how far this one is from coming through. Okay. Okay, let's see. There. Pack this one in here. It's in. The screws are a little bit big now for this under piece, as you can see. But I don't have any problem with that whatsoever. So I'm going to just clean up these marks and then I'm going to install it back into the car. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. That was the entire installation video. Very easy, went a lot easier than I thought. I had a lot of steps planned for the installation process, but yeah, it went really, really easy. And then I'd just like to say thank you very much for Lyle, a friend of mine who developed, designed and printed that handle for me, especially the fact that he had to do two. We asked one handle for me and one handle for my twin brother. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Guys, I'm going to grab the camera now, take you over to the car and show you what the installed handle looks like and how it works. Let's go. So as you can see, it is pretty sweet. Okay, we do this. You can see what it looks like at the bottom. And what's beautiful about it is look how easy is this. Why Toyota could not just simply make a thing like this, which would probably cost them 2 cents, I don't know. But yes, that's my solution to that. Guys, please don't ask me for the 3D file. I do not have it. But yeah, get someone who has a 3D printer that can print you one and just put 2 screws in it, 2 self-tapping screws. Very easy. There you go. That's in and it's perfect. I'm very, very happy with that. Guys, thanks for watching my solution to this trunk slash boot cover. If this is the kind of videos that you enjoy watching, why not subscribe? Please like and comment on my videos, I really appreciate it. Okay guys, and until the next one, take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!